Hello, and welcome to the Craft Papa Show. Today we'll be reusing the Care Bear mold that we used for the candle to make something. It's inspired by a Mexican bootleg Albino Leonardo. And here we go. If you'd like to see how I made this mold, check out the video Care Bear candle video. Now we got the hole in the bottom for the wick, so we got to make sure that's nice and patched up. Next we'll get out our America's Best Epoxy Resin. This white color from Composimold, epoxycolors.com. See here we had some leakage. This is why I like to put them in a cup or something. welcome back. So, here is the albino Care Bear. In a month or so that I took a break, I took it out of the thing and it fell off the counter and broke the arm off. And then I lost the arm. So he's a one-armed albino Care Bear. We got some flashing. Take some of these. Take that flashing off there. Good idea to be wearing some safety glasses or regular glasses. This stuff can just go any direction, you know. Put some eyes on her. For watching. Have a great day. Oh, hey, if you want any of the resin or the Composimold, we've got it in the description below. Check it out. Bye bye.